How to put Google Docs column on part of the page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to enhance your Google Docs experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create columns on just part of Google Docs page using simple trick with tables. First, let's dive right in. The standard column features in Google Docs applies to the entire page, but we want to create columns only in the specific section. So here's what you need to do. You need to select by placing your cursor where you want the column to appear. Next, go to the menu and insert a table with two cells. This will give us our left and right column. Now that we have our table, let's make it look clean. In the left and right side of the table, simply paste the information that you have copied before. To remove the table lines, simply go to the Format and then Table Properties. From here, adjust the border color to 0 and there you have it, a Google Docs page with columns on part of the page, ready for your content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.